Hello everyone, my name is Kavaljit Korwali and my roll number is 225014. So my topic is limit point. So first of all we will understand what is a limit point. Now let xt be a metric space. Let a be a subset of x. Now let x naught belong to x. x naught एक element है जो x को belong कर रहा है. Then x naught is called the limit point of a if it satisfied certain conditions for every SR x naught. Now here what is SR x naught? SR x naught is known as open sphere. Now you'll know the definition of open sphere, that is another topic. Now SR star x naught means कि हमने SR x naught हमने उस ओपन स्फेयर में से x naught का टर्म एलिमिनेट कर दिया है, दैट इज़ SR स्टार x naught. इसका इंटरसेक्शन जब हम A से करेंगे तो ये फाई के इक्वल नहीं आना चाहिए. अगर ये कंडीशन फॉलो हो रही है देन वी कैन से दैट x naught इज़ द लिमिट पॉइंट ऑफ द सेट A. Now what is SR star? It is a punctured sphere. What is the meaning of punctured sphere? Punctured sphere means that the x naught term is eliminated from SR. Now we'll understand it with the help of an example. Let there be a sequence Sn is equal to 1 to the power n. In this sequence we will get the terms 1 1 1 1 and we can write it as singleton set 1. Now the question is 1 is the limit point of this set. So 1 is not the limit point. We can say that 1 is the limit of this set, but we cannot say that 1 is the limit point. Why? Because if we'll remove 1 from this set, which means SR star 1, and then when we'll do the intersection of this set with S, we'll get 5. So the condition of the limit point is not satisfied here. So here 1 is not the limit point of Sn. Limit point. So here we can conclude that all singleton sets have no limit point. Next we have this example. Now S is equal to closed set 1 to 7 be a closed interval is 2 is the limit point of S. So we can see here that 2 is lying between the interval, but we cannot say that 2 is lying, तो ये इसका limit point होगा. We'll check it with the conditions. Now SR star 2 intersection S will not be equal to phi. How? SR star 2 will be विल रिमूविंग द सेट 2. अगर हम 2 को इस सेट में से निकाल देंगे तो अगर हम एक एप्साइलन एलिमेंट लें जो कि ग्रेटर देन 0 हो एंड इट इज़ अ स्मॉल क्वांटिटी, एंड अगर हम 2 में से एप्साइलन को माइनस कर दें और 2 में एप्साइलन को प्लस कर दें एंड इसका ओपन इंटरवल लें और इसमें से 2 को हम माइनस कर दें और इसका इंटरसेक्शन हम 1,7 क्लोज इंटरवल से लें, सो वील गेट दिस कंडीशन 2 plus epsilon is not equal to 5 because 2 और 2 plus epsilon के बीच में बहुत ही small numbers exist करेंगे but करेंगे, so ये set 5 के equal नहीं आएगा. So we can say that here 2 is the limit point of the set S. Similarly 3 can also be the limit point of this set, 4 can also be the limit point of this set. Even 1 and 7 can be the limit point of this set. Thank you.